Hello everyone, I am Saloni Prusty, a student of Trytoon Academy. I am doing my fashion designing course in this college. As we know that fashion designing is all about creative mind, hard work and dedication. For this field, you need a good infrastructure for your career and to achieve the dream and goals in your life. The Trytoon Academy is the best for the fashion designing course which provides the best faculties and who are so much friendly, cooperative and supportive in our study. Expect this Trytoon Academy have so much options in to gain the practical knowledges, like they have the options of study tours, field visit, workshops, seminars of so much expert talks. So they are so much helpful to gain the practical knowledges, and I am so much proud to be a Tritonian. If you are searching for a good college for your fashion designing career, Tritonian Academy is the best for your career. Thank you. Have a nice day.